Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining. It's me, Desiree, here with Desiree Plans, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the Daily Grind Planner Mystery Box and all the details, as much details as I can give you in reference to this box to help you make your decision in purchasing. So here are the basics here. It goes on sale Friday, January 31st at 3 p.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. Central. And it goes all the way up until February 4th at midnight. Now, I don't know if they will sell out prior to that or not, but I anticipate I'm going to be purchasing one myself as well. And they are sending me one too. And I will be getting it on Friday, January 31st. So as soon as I get it, I'll be able to make that review for you and show you what color I got, what's in it, because if you get that same box, you're going to get the exact same thing as well. So we'll talk more details, but there's 5 bundles total. Each bundle is valued at $100 and it's sale price for $50. So that is a pretty big steal when you think about it. And of course, free shipping. And you can use Desiree Plans at checkout to get an extra 10% off your entire order. So don't forget the discount, as much savings as you can get, right? You definitely want to work on that. So let's go into some of the details and let's kind of go through this together. I'm going to show you kind of already what's been sent out in the email, which is super vague. But then I'm also going to show you what they sent to us as a creator. And I've already shared some of their slides from the creator. I mean, I don't even know what's in there. They still don't even tell us what's in there, but it's more of a better description. And I'm sure they'll probably still share that, but I'm filming this prior, so I don't even know what else they're going to share after this. So I'll make sure to put any extra details in the description. So be sure to check that out as well, along with the link. Also, yes, I'm using a filter. I look a hot mess. You're very lucky I'm even here today trying to do this for you because yeah, that's not happening. I'm not putting makeup on, I'm flaring, and yeah, it is what it is, but filter it is. So at least you get something. And you got 5 boxes, okay? You have the pink, the yellow, the green, the blue, and the purple. Now, they do note that all quantities of each color mystery box includes the same products. If you're looking for a variety, please select a different color mystery box. So no one same item is going to be in the box, basically. It'd be different. Now, I did ask too, is it pink items, yellow items? No. It's just a vibe, a different vibe for each box is what it is, okay? So the first box we got here is the yellow box. And in the email is very vague. Delightful surprises to brighten your day. Okay. What does that mean, right? So this is a creator slide that they gave to us, and I don't see why I can't share it because there's nothing on here that we don't already know, right? So get ready to unwrap a little sunshine. This yellow mystery box is bursting with delightful surprises designed to brighten your day and spark joy. From cheerful planner accessories to inspiring stationery, every item is thoughtfully chosen to bring a smile to your face. If you're looking for a bundle that radiates positivity and warmth, this box is your perfect match. What does that mean, right? And who knows? So $100 value for $50 only. They show some planner items. What? Okay, so I see the long one. It looks like a sticker book. I can see some dividers. I see a planner cover in there. What are you going to get? I don't know. So after reading these, I kind of, at this point, looking on the website and seeing what's out there. I mean, there's a big play on words on a lot of the Moods covers, in my opinion. But then there's also some magical in there. And for this one, as far as the yellow goes and brighten your day, all that, I mean, maybe it's the Ray of Sunshine cover and the dividers that come with it, maybe. I don't know. It could vary, right? It's going to be what's already there because obviously what's not there, they've sold out, so they don't have extra of. So it's going to be what's there. And it's not going to be any of the new items, guys. So none of the Valentine's collection. I doubt that it'd be travel size, anything in there because that's still fairly new. It's going to be everything prior. So yellow, spark joy, happy, all that. Warmth, I mean, I feel like the Ray of Sunshine, maybe. I don't know. I could be wrong. Who knows? But yes, something along those lines. We don't know. I'm going to be getting my box on Friday. So as soon as I get it, I'll share with you. I don't even know what color I'm getting. I need to wait till I get it before I even make my purchase because I don't want to buy the same. I don't want a duplicate box. I want something different here. So yeah, you got options, and I like that. I think it's kind of fun. You know, I kind of have a lot of it already, so I'm kind of iffy, but it's not going to hurt. So if I do get anything that I already have or whatnot, which I have a lot of, I might just do a giveaway too anyway. So be ready for that too. So yellow. Who's getting the yellow box? Let me know in the comments. So then you got the pink box. And the pink mystery box says, sweet, elegant, and full of charm. Now, again, that's kind of my vibe. I like that. Elegant, right? So the bigger description here is, this charming bundle is filled with elegant, beautifully curated items that are as delightful as they are practical. Inside, you'll discover an irresistible mix of planner covers, accessories, and stationery designed to make your planning sessions feel stylish and fun. It's perfect for anyone who loves a pop of sophistication and charm. So, I don't know. It sounds like there's more than one cover. Why would it be, plural like that? I don't know. I don't have the box, but when I hear sophistication and whatnot, I also think luxe cover. So is it a luxe? But I can't see them putting like 2 luxe covers in there either, because like that's like $50 already. I don't see it just being a luxe cover. Hard to say. It could be 2 of the moods maybe. Those are a little bit cheaper in price. Yeah, I don't know. When I'm looking back at the yellow though, it just says cheerful planner accessories to inspiring stationery. Accessories and stationery sound the same to me. That's like, to me, the same. I don't know. Lots to think about, right? So then you got the green box, enchanting, vibrant, and full of creativity. Vague, right? So this enchanting bundle is a treasure trove of bold and inspiring items, from captivating planner accessories to vibrant stationery essentials. Each piece is designed to ignite your imagination and energize your day. Whether you're brainstorming your next big idea or simply staying organized, this box will inspire you to thrive. So there's a lot of big words in there, right? Again, none of the new items, but what I'm thinking and thinking about like the moods covers and whatnot, some of these big words that they're using, ignite your imagination, energize your day. There's a lot of play on words when I think about like the moods collection out there. It's up in the air, but it's going to be one of these covers, right? So, yeah. As far as brightful, vibrant accessories, I mean, is it highlighters, colorful things, colorful pins? I mean, that's the only thing I can think of at this point, but we shall see. We shall see. The fact that it goes on until Tuesday, February 4th, there's a potential, if they get the shipping out as soon as possible, that people might have it in hand over the weekend and be able to film a quick video for you to see. And if it's still available, you could purchase still, until right up until midnight. So hopefully we'll see. So who's getting the green box? Who's getting the green box? I want to know. All right. Then you got the blue box. Cool, magical, and nostalgic. Vague, right? So cool, nostalgic, and a little bit magical. This bundle is packed with surprises that inspire calm and creativity. Whether you're organizing your goals or crafting your dreams, these planner goodies and stationery treasures will transport you to a serene and enchanting world. It's like a breath of fresh air for your planning routine. Lots of words there. So the whole nostalgic, she used that a lot with the Make Life Magical collection, and at this point too, when I think about like enchanting and all that, it's Make Life Magical. It's got to be one of those covers that are out there already. But then if you think about the Moods collection, calm and creativity, goals, crafting your dreams. I mean, they have the magical motivator. They have the big dreamer, yeah. I'm trying to keep in mind too, though, that it's not color themed, because that's drawing me in that way, but it's not color themed. So it's kind of like, okay, well, what is it, right? But a lot of those words can kind of match some of those moods, which is kind of leading me that way. Now, is that the case? Is my thinking right? I don't know, but yeah. And then you have the next color, which is the, let me see here, the purple mystery box. So whimsical, sweet, and here to ignite your imagination. So whimsical, sweet, and utterly enchanting, this bundle is packed with surprises that bring joy and inspiration, from playful planner covers to creative stationery. Every item is carefully chosen to help you dream big and plan beautifully. It's perfect for anyone who loves a little mystery and a lot of creativity. So again, out there, right? Creative, dream big, plan beautifully, whimsical, sweet, utterly enchanting, make life magical, still the other things, I have no idea. So yeah, so a lot to think about, a lot to consider. So ultimately, pick your color that you want, add to cart, and purchase. So again, $100 value, only for $50, and you can use Desiree Plans at checkout to get that extra discount. So pink, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Which one are you going to choose? I want to know. Now, it goes on sale Friday, January 31st at 2 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Eastern. If you're part of the Facebook group, you can go ahead, you get to purchase 30 minutes prior to the general public, which is pretty awesome. This has never been done before, so I don't know if it's going to sell out or not. Who knows? It helps out being a member of the Facebook group when you are, when they have like the seasonal launches, because those planner covers can go fast. So that's a big perk. So if you're new to the Daily Garden Planner, I've never purchased before, in order to join that Facebook group, you have to have made a purchase of a planner or a workbook. So check it out. The link's down below in my description there. If you want that opportunity, you would have to purchase as soon as possible, because they're going to close up the website by noon on the 31st, on the launch day of these boxes. So then you won't be able to purchase anything in advance. So check it out. See what's out there. See what they offer, because ultimately it's going to be something in those areas. So quick update. Angie posted her reel. I'm going to post it here for you next, so you can take a look and listen to what she is saying specifically about the color boxes, and kind of giving you hints, if that helps. But yeah, check it out here. Let me know what you think.
Are you sitting down? Good, because you're not ready for this. We are about to have the most epic start to a fresh month. We have two pretty big announcements for you today. We've never done either of these things, so you might want to hold on tight. Everything kicks off tomorrow, January 31st at 3 p.m. Eastern, noon Pacific. We're dropping 5 mystery boxes, each with their own specific theme and color, and they're all valued at well over $100, and the sale price is going to be $50 with free shipping. These boxes are packed with planner items, covers that everybody has loved, dividers, different stationery and accessories. We're so freaking excited about this, and it's an insane deal. So these probably will sell out, and once they're gone, they're gonna be gone forever. Now, every box is a mystery, but I can give you a couple hints. The green mystery box is the dreamy one. The pink mystery box is the magical one and filled with bright colors. The blue mystery box is for the big dreamers and the ones that love magic. The purple mystery box is a touch of imagination and a little bit of wonder. And the yellow mystery box is a celebration of all of the seasons that we love. This is probably going to go down as one of the craziest sales that we have ever done. And if that wasn't enough, we're going to kick off February even stronger, not just with a huge sale, but with a very special series. So if you want to join us on February 1st on our channel for a fresh reset to the year, we'll see you there.
Let me know what you think down below, and if you'll be picking up a mystery box. Again, I'd appreciate it if, when you did shop, that you use my affiliate link or my discount code at checkout. It helps me, and it also shows the Daily Grind Planner that I sent you their way. It is an affiliate link, so I do receive a small commission, but it's at no cost to you, nor does it hinder your shopping experience. Again, it just shows them that I sent you their way, or helped you out or inspired you in some form or fashion. So thank you for your support, and be sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.